If you've got a drone video service business and you're looking for an affordable professional website, you're certainly in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to do exactly that, build a simple website for your drone video service. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top, add search for my market, drone video services. So I'm going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's on MultiSites a few basic details about our drone video service so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to pop in my city and my state or region over here. Doesn't matter where in the world your business operates from, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've clicked on continue, MultiSites will automatically generate a simple website for your business with the information you've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done mine in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're also completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the beautiful footage you have recorded with your drone. You want to showcase it on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to that content that was pre-written. Perhaps you don't offer all these services. So I'm going to be showing you how to make amendments. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any sort of way, and you certainly can do this all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address. I'm going to make sure that email address is visible on my website for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. You can pop in your phone number over here that is click to call. Now, maybe you're a mobile business, you don't have a physical location, so you can leave this part out. But if you have one, you can pop it in over there. It will be displayed in the top left-hand corner. Customers can easily click on that address, be taken directly to Google Maps for directions to your business. And update social links where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed on your website at the top as well as at the bottom. Now, if you have a logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. If you don't have one, check out Canva or Hatchful.com. I've personally tried them both myself. Really great options for a free logo if you don't have a huge budget just starting your business. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to make slight amendments to crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters or frames, click on that pencil directly over it. Otherwise, click on save. Here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now, with MultiSites as well, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, go ahead and click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section you'd like to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device for your own images or search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from, as you can see, all very stunning visually. Don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone, very high quality. You also have an option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button. If you have an Instagram profile, that is, automatically pull in all those images and select from them instead of uploading them all individually from your device. And update action, we can change that button, the text on it, and where the button links to, even uploading a PDF file. Great option to include more information on your services, perhaps your rates as well. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you. You can keep track of all those leads in your Multi dashboard, as well as get notified via your registered email account when you have a new lead coming in. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain over here. If you'd like to purchase a domain as well, you can click on the same button as well to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, and stand out from all your competitors. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success.